Hello, friends. Today, I want to talk about something incredibly important and close to my heart: how parents of autistic and special needs kids can start their own online business. You've got a unique set of experiences and insights that the world needs to hear. Starting an online business might sound overwhelming, but trust me, it's entirely possible and incredibly rewarding. Whether it's launching a YouTube channel, starting a blog, or even creating a podcast, your voice truly matters. The lessons you've learned could be exactly what someone else needs, and maybe even change or save a life. First, let's talk about choosing the right platform. Think about where you feel most comfortable. Do you love speaking in front of a camera? Then YouTube might be your go-to. Prefer writing? A blog could be the perfect outlet. The key is to start where you feel most natural. Next, let's dive into creating impactful content. Authenticity is your superpower. Share your journey, your challenges, and your triumphs. People connect with real stories. You don't have to be perfect. In fact, embracing imperfection can make your content even more relatable. Now let's talk tools. There are countless resources out there to help you get started. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace make setting up a blog a breeze. If you're leaning towards video content, check out tools like iMovie or Adobe Premiere for editing. Consistency is crucial. Choose a platform that aligns with your goals and dreams. Whether you post daily, once a week, or once a month, being consistent builds trust with your audience. And don't worry about having all the fancy equipment from the get-go. Start with what you have and upgrade as you grow. Lastly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, join online forums, and connect with other parents. Building a supportive network can not only help you grow your business, but also provide emotional support. Remember, your story has the power to inspire others. By sharing your experiences, you're creating a lasting legacy, not just for yourself, but for your family as well. You're showing your kids that challenges can be turned into opportunities, and that's a lesson more valuable than gold. So, are you ready to start your own online business? Take that first step today. Share your story, inspire others, and create a brighter future for you and your family. Thanks for watching, and remember, your voice matters.